In this model, I have created a blind hole with a depth that is close to the thickness of the part. Let's do a measurement between the drill point and the surface of the part. We get a distance of 2.9 mm. In the course of designing this part, I might have to change the drill depth along the way. And when I change the drill depth, I might not remember to check that I have enough of a material thickness between the drill point and the other side of the part. Here's where sensors can come in handy. So when you bring up the measure tool, at the top right hand corner of the window, there is an option to create sensor. From here, you are given a list of options to choose from. The first is the straight line distance, followed by the normal distance, or you can choose the delta distance in either of the three axes. For now, we will stick to the straight line distance. At the bottom, we will check on the alert checkbox to create an alert. In this case, we want the system to give a warning when the remaining thickness becomes less than 1 mm. Once you click OK and exit, you will notice that a new sensor has been created in the feature tree. Let's increase the depth of the hole wizard hole by 1 mm. You will notice that the sensor updates the distance accordingly to 1.9 mm. Let's increase the depth of the hole by another 1 mm. When I rebuild, you will see that this time the sensor creates an alert as the remaining thickness has gone below 1 mm. So sensors are a good way of saving time from having to make the same measurements time and again. They also allow you to keep track of specific parameters that are critical to your design. Hope that you have found this video useful, and will see you in the next one.